How's it going, everyone? Oculus VR here. Hope you're having a fantastic day, and today is a great day because I just got my hands on the Oculus Quest 2. So today I'm going to be unboxing this on camera for you guys. I was actually lucky enough to be able to get one on day one. I just walked up to the store and got one instead of getting it online, so I was pretty happy about that. Please keep in mind that this is not a review video. That video will be coming in a couple of days. This is just an unboxing video. I'll probably have that video up around maybe Thursday or Friday. So yeah, just an unboxing video. Real quick, if you are not subscribed to the channel and you're interested in the Oculus Quest 2, I would recommend you subscribe because I have a lot of content coming up in the future. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Alright, so here is the box. Let me just state that I really like this packaging. I think it's super sleek and clean. I really like it. Alright, so on the front of the box, you can see the nice Quest 2 with both the controllers with that nice pink and purple layout. And of course, it's got a big Oculus on the top of it, which is different than the old one. And right here, you can see all of the great games and some information on the back. Alright, so let's rip off the nice plastic covering. Alright, let's open it up. Alright, let's take off the sleeve. As you can see, it's a nice brownish, yellowish box with a nice white Oculus logo. It's really cool to see this because it's so different than the old Oculus logo in box, which was all black, so it looks really nice. Alright, now for the big reveal. Ta-da! It's honestly very neatly packaged. Alright, so here's a better look at it. It's kind of similarly packaged to the original Quest, so it's got both the controllers and the headset and the lens spacer and the instructions. Alright, let's get a better view of these controllers. So it's got an all-white exterior and a black interior. They're very similar to the original controllers, but they're also very similar to the newer controllers, so it's kind of like a mixture of both. Alright, so the left one is pretty much the exact same as the right controller, but here's a better look at it. Really quickly, it feels like the trigger button and the grip button are different than the old ones. I just wanted to point that out real quick. And of course, in the back, we have the warranty guide and the instructions, all in a neat little packaging. Let's see if I can open this up and show you guys real quick. Hold on. There we go. All right, so there it is. That's the instructions. And behind this should be the charger. Yeah, there it is. So there we go, the instructions and the charger. The plug-in seems to be the exact same as the old one, except this time it is white. And of course, the USB-C to USB-C cord that is always included that you use to charge it. Now, one thing that's really annoying about this is that it's not that long. You're not able to play it while charging like the old Quest, but the original charger works just fine. Alright, so let's take a look at the main attraction, the headset itself. I had a bit of trouble getting it out of the box, but that's okay. I just wanted to do it very gently. So let's take a look at this real quick. Alright, so here it is. It is noticeably smaller than the other headset, and it has that nice cloth headband, and it still has that same foam as the original Quest. And of course, it's got those 4 cameras on each side, but they're placed differently this time. And of course, we cannot forget about the lens spacer. Here it is. It's pretty much the same. Okay, so we finally unboxed it all. Let's compare the size to the original Quest. Okay, so here's a side-by-side look of the original Quest and the new Quest. Sorry, my old Quest is a bit dirty. It's been through a lot. So yeah, the Quest 2 is very small compared to the other one. Right, here's a view of the back sides of the headset. Of course, the original Quest has the rubber headband, and this one has the cloth headband, which I have not tried out yet, so I'm not sure if I like it or not. But they actually have the same foam, which is interesting. By foam, I mean face covering. I just had to clarify that. Alright, so here is a look at the original and new controllers. The new controllers, I feel like I would like a lot more because it has that place where you can put your thumb, and it's all around wider, but the old one doesn't. But it does feel a bit weird with the giant circle instead of the smaller one, so we'll have to see how I feel about that. Okay, so that's about it for today's unboxing video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I just wanted to make it really quickly before I do my full review, which will be coming out in a couple of days. I want to get a lot of hands-on time with it, probably around 10 to 15 hours before I make my full decision on how I like it. Excited is an understatement. I cannot wait to try out my favorite games on this. I am probably going to play Beat Saber first, and then Super Hot, then Red Matter, because I think those are all the upgraded games. Alright, so that's about it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you liked it, be sure to hit that thumbs up button to let me know. And if you like my content, be sure to subscribe because I have a lot of awesome Oculus Quest 2 content coming in the future. So yeah, have an awesome day, have fun exploring that virtual world, and of course, take care.